Welcome to Wolfe, Calgary. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2026 Buick Envista in copper ice metallic exterior color. Powered by a turbocharged engine with front wheel drive and an automatic transmission, the Envista is ready to get you there with excellent fuel economy. At the interior, you have an Ebony interior with power windows, locks, and mirrors. A flat bottom steering wheel that has controls for the heated steering wheel, the cruise control, and the Bluetooth media. You get the Ebony interior with cloth insert and a power driver's seat, overhead hardtop roof. Inside, a beautiful instrument cluster, a touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a push button start. You also get air conditioning, heated seats, and a rear window defrost, glove box storage, auto start stop control and lane keep assist, an electronic parking brake, and lots of storage. At the rear of the Envista, you get rear park sensors and a backup camera, a sporty hatch style that opens up and gives you a ton of available cargo storage room for your grocery hauls, as well as a privacy cover for your cargo. If you have any additional questions about the Buick Envista, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales team. We look forward to taking you on a demo drive and welcoming you into our brand new showroom.